Math terms explained from A to Z. A is for alternating series. Alternating series is a kind of series that their terms alternate between positive and negative terms. B is for binomial. Binomial is a polynomial with two terms, like 3 times x squared plus 1. C is for complex numbers. Complex numbers are defined with a plus b times I form. I is an imaginary number that equals the square root of minus 1. D is for derivative. Derivative measures instantaneous rate of change of a function. Yeah, that's all. E is for the Euler's number. Euler's number is the base of the natural log. Its limit as n approaches the infinity of 1 plus 1 over n to the n. It's the sum of 1 over n factorials as n goes from 0 to infinity. It's so many things, trust me. F is for Fourier series. Fourier series is a function that is made of sum of sine or cosine functions, like sine x plus sine 3x over 3 plus sine 5x over 5 and goes to the forever. G is for golden ratio. 1.61803339 and like that. It's equal to 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2. H is for hyperbola. A curved shape with two centers, formed by points with a constant difference in distances from each center. I is for invariant. A property that does not change. If you rotate a square, the length of the sides don't change. So we can say sides are invariant under rotation. J is for Jordan curve. A Jordan curve is a loop-like shape in mathematics. It doesn't cross itself, like a closed loop, and it separates the plane into two regions. K is for Krylov subspace, an approximation method for solving large linear equations, iteratively constructing vectors using matrix multiplication. L is for limit. We have a value, it goes to a certain value, it keeps getting closer and closer but never reaches. That's what limit is. M is for matrix. Matrix is an array of numbers. N is for number theory, a study area of mathematics that focuses on subjects such as prime numbers, rational numbers, integers, etc. O is for octahedron, a 3D shape that has 8 faces. P is for pi, 3.1415926 and so on. Q is for quadratic equation. When an equation's highest exponent of the variable is 2, it's called a quadratic equation. R is for radian. It represents the size of angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. S is for square matrix, a matrix with the same number of rows as columns. T is for topology. Topology is a branch of mathematics that studies properties of space that remain unchanged under continuous deformations. U is for upper bound, the value that is greater than or equal to every item in a set. V is for vertex. The derivative of a vertex is always equal to 0. W is for whole number. Whole numbers are a set of non-negative integers. Y is for y-axis, the vertical line in a Cartesian coordinate system used to determine vertical positions of points. And Z is for z-score, a statistical measure that shows how many standard deviations a data point is from the mean.